So for those who want to stream on X, as far as I know, I mean, X is one of the fastest improving platform, and it's pretty amazing. So I wanted to show you how you can set it up through OBS, so you can stream from your laptop without the time limitation. I had to learn from some of the other YouTube clips and things like that, but I'll try to make it simplified. OBS and Twitter X connections, you can stream. First, go to obsproject.com. I have a MacBook, so just go ahead and click that one, Mac OS. Just go ahead and download and install as you normally do. Once you download and install and open it up, you need to set up this scene first. So I created something called the Just MacBook using the MacBook camera and the microphone. And I'm not going to go into details on this one. There's a ton of videos out there, so check that out. I'm going to focus on connecting with X. So if you go to the profile, go ahead and click New. I'm going to type in C. I'm going to type in C just to simplify. Click OK. And then it says optimize for streaming. Recording is secondary. That's what I want. Click Next. And then I'm going to just keep it the way it is, 920 by 1080 and either 60 or 30 FPS. Click Next. And then service, connect Twitter, and then click Get Stream Key, create source, source name, OBSC. I mean, you don't have to type it like that. I'm just making it so that I can delete this after I'm making this video. And select a region here. I'm gonna do closest to me, US West Oregon. Create. It says success on the top right corner. And right there it says RTMP stream key. You just need to copy this code and then come back to OBS and paste the key and uncheck this estimate bitrate with the bandwidth test. That one basically like checks all the servers. So you don't want to do that. It takes too much time, and it didn't work for me the first time I did. So I'm going to go ahead and match that US West Oregon, which I selected from that x.com website. And then the rest, I don't really know. I'm going to just leave it the way it is. And then apply setting. So now you can see the OBS, the video is showing me through the webcam, and then the audio is going through. Go ahead and start streaming. And are you sure you want to start streaming? Yes. Don't be afraid. Just go ahead and do it, because it's not yet streaming. What you have to do is go to another website. It is studio.x.com/producer/broadcasts. And here you can see all live, scheduled and ended, but just go ahead and click this create broadcast. And you're going to see this window waiting for stream. And this is where, this one is kind of like a YouTube, the title and the description type of thing. I'm gonna do OBS C test, right? I keep typing test. Select the category. See, you must select that. I'm gonna do digital creator. Source. Now this is important. You want to select the one that created from that profile from OBS, which is I know OBS-C, which I'm going to delete, by the way. So the source URL and the stream keys should match, and then you can select audience. You probably want to do public if you want to share. If you want to do private only, I can see this broadcast. You don't want to do that. Chat, I don't want to deal with everybody. Maybe just verified account. I'm not sure. I'll have to check on that. But hearts, I'm gonna put that on. Start immediately or start. So this is there's some other stuff, content restrictions and recommended. I don't look at those. I don't know what they are. I can't really advise you on that. Create the broadcast. And then it says success on the top right. And if you wait a little bit, boom.
I don't know what they are. I can't really advise you on that.
So that's what I said about 10 seconds ago.
Broadcast.
So let me count. 1,
then it says success on the top
3,
right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So that's what I said about.
So there's about 5 to 10 seconds delay.
Then it says success on the top right.
And you can see the delaying, I kind of repeating, looping my voice, you know. So you want to do lower the volume so that the speaker audio doesn't go into microphone. That's what's creating that feedback. So you want to mute. So there it is. As far as I know, this is broadcasting right now. Let's see. The one way to check is that like you go to but the thing is, if I go to another app or iPad or something like, it didn't show that I'm on live. There might be still delay of the showing the live thing right there, but it is there. That's it for this video, but I haven't really played with this editing live cut thing, which is really cool because you can set the starting point and the ending point, so you don't have that gap between the beginning or ending to at the end without saying anything, that type of thing. So play with that. I'll be playing with that too. This one says live here, so it is still going. To me, this page is like the YouTube backend. I'm more familiar with the YouTube, and then you can post. As far as I know, if you don't post after live ended, the feed, the live video doesn't show on your profile, but you have to post it. So it's kind of like a private setting, but while you're on live, everybody can see it. After live is done, it becomes private setting unless you post. That's my understanding. Well, this is one last tip, but I just learned this too, that if you want to use the OBS to stream to different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, you can go ahead and type this command under the terminal. Terminal is there. To open the terminal, you want to do command and space bar, and this thing opens up, and then copy that command, open space -n space -a obs.app. When you do that, the OBS window, the other window will open up, so you can actually have multiple, believe it or not. Let me show you. So copy and paste, and then it says you already have one open. Do you want to open it? Just go ahead and launch anyway. Then you get another window, which I just learned this morning, so I'll be playing with this. I don't know if my MacBook will have the bandwidth and capacity to actually stream to multiple platforms, but that's what other like StreamYard and stuff like that you have to pay for. But I like this idea of just using what I have. So I'll be testing this out and see if I can stream to like 3 to 4 different platforms. I hope that was helpful. Keep creating, and I'll see you on the next video.